Northern Haida Hospital is experiencing challenges with recruitment of both permanent and temporary nursing staff, and has recently been on the verge of temporarily having to close down some services. Masset Mayor Sherry Disney is noted as saying, quote, "It's hard to accept that nursing and housing are the reasons, having found more than a number of nurses who are willing to come, and with one phone call, having at least 4 houses for rent." According to Northern Health, the hope for Northern Haida Hospital to avoid any temporary closures is to get some traveling nurses to fill shifts. Long-term care at NHGH is not impacted by this threat and will remain open 24/7. Any emergency department service interruptions will be temporary. Additional bed capacity is being added at Haida Hospital and Health Center, and Northern Health is planning to expand transportation services between Masset and Dajingits to support patients accessing services. While the ambulance service will be provided a ride down to the main hospital, residents are forced to find their own way home, a trek of over 120 kilometers. Northern Health's Northwest Chief Operating Officer Ciro Panessa explains at a recent community meeting with Northern Island leaders, "We heard clearly that every effort must be made to keep this hospital open, and that innovative and collaborative solutions are needed to stabilize services." The Comprehensive Healthcare Worker Rural Retention Program for targeted communities and occupations is designed to offer financial incentives and support for priority healthcare workers. It will be funded by the government at approximately $3 million, designed to offer financial incentives and supports like travel, housing, and childcare for priority healthcare workers. Masset Mayor Sherry Disney knows the workload ahead for her town, but also after the meeting with Northern Health feels relieved and knows that their concerns are not only heard, but understood by the organization. Mayor Disney thanks not only Northern Health, but also MLA Jennifer Rice for stepping up and working collaboratively and effectively for the betterment of the people.